Hi and welcome. I'm Dylan. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever gone to a restaurant, but your meal choice depended on the price on the menu? How about going to a clothing store only to realize that the item of clothing you wanted was too expensive and you'd have to wait for payday? Have you ever wanted to take your family on a vacation, but you just never seemed to have the money to do so? Are you buried in credit card debt and frustrated with all the bills you have? They come every month and they're never late. So you can continue living this way, or you can do something about it. What can you do? Well, you can learn how to run and sustain your own profitable online business. How? By following our 15-day step-by-step training modules. Even if you're brand new and have never done anything like this before, we've got you covered. Regardless of your experience or location, this is a platform that you can leverage to start getting positive results in your life. Set yourself free from debt. You may even consider a lifestyle upgrade. What would an additional few $100s a month, a week, or even a day do for you and your family? Start your success journey today by clicking on the link in the description. I'll see you on the inside. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Also hit the bell if you want to be notified whenever we upload a video.